Hey, this is the latest greatest on Project Troy Twin Turbo Small Block Ford 302. It's coming along quite great. Hey, how's everybody doing today? Let's take a walk around the engine. Okay. Right where the oil filter is, there's a place next to the block. And the block next to oil filter. This is normally where your oil pressure sender is. This is where we're going to mount this T that'll give us the oil supply line for the turbocharger, which goes up and right there. Right there. There's your oil supply. And then you tap the oil return to the oil pan, and it goes right up there to the bottom of the turbo, 6 o'clock position. Here is the exhaust V-band clamp. This is going to be where the exhaust is going to be welded to when we get to that point. There's the turbo header. The intake Edelbrock Performer is installed. The valve covers with the breathers, oil dipstick. There's the T for the oil pressure supply to the turbos. There's driver's turbo and goes to passenger side turbo. There's a nice Spectre air filter. And when I'm going to get a new one of those, because that one's not as nice, but it'll get me by for a little bit till I buy another one. It isn't pretty. Water pump's installed. I'm waiting on some new hardware for the water pump, but I've got it on for now. The harmonic balancer is on. It's right there. And let's take a look here at the timing mark. I marked the top dead center mark right here. And then this mark right here is 18 degrees before top dead center. That's where I'm going to set my timing for the turbocharged 302. That'll be base timing. Then after that, we will, after base timing at 18 degrees before top dead center, then for every pound of boost you want to retard timing by 1 degree. So that's where an MSD boost timing master will come in when that comes. I've got one in the shop somewhere. I've got a boost timing master. I'll go locate it, and later, once this engine's been driving a little bit and everything goes well, no leaks, I'll install the boost timing master. But 18 degrees top dead center is plenty good timing to start with for a turbocharged engine. Well, that's how she looks so far. Thank you for watching Mad Boosting. Please subscribe and like and share with your friends. Have a great day. Mad Boosting.